To connect Interactive Broker to Ninjatrader, start by opening Ninjatrader and navigating to the Control Center. In the Control Center, select Configure, then select the Trade option. In the Trade window, select the Account tab and click New Account. Select Interactive Brokers as the brokerage firm and click OK. You will be prompted to enter your Interactive Broker account information, including your username and password. Enter this information and click OK. Next, you will need to configure the settings for your Interactive Broker account. This includes selecting the correct data feed and setting the proper login credentials. Make sure to select the correct server and port number for your Interactive Broker account. Once you have configured the settings for your Interactive Broker account, click OK to save the changes. Your Interactive Broker account should now be connected to Ninjatrader. To verify the connection, navigate to the Control Center and select the Account tab. Your Interactive Broker account should be listed as a connected account. To start trading with your Interactive Broker account in Ninjatrader, navigate to the Trade window and select the account you just configured. You can now place trades and manage your positions directly from Ninjatrader using your Interactive Broker account. It is essential to ensure that your account information is correct and that you have the necessary permissions to trade with your Interactive Broker account in Ninjatrader. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, refer to the Ninjatrader user guide or contact their customer support team for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Interactive Broker account to Ninjatrader and start trading with ease. This connection enables you to leverage the trading capabilities of Ninjatrader while utilizing the brokerage services of Interactive Broker.